We so love our little ones, but the fact is they grow up so fast and outgrow their bedrooms. If your tween wants a bedroom makeover with teen style, you don't need to spend a fortune on a complete overhaul. You can go from this to this in a day. This bedhead is a bit grown up, so I'm using White Knight Squirts to give it a new lease of life. What I love about this product, it's a paint and primer in one. It's really hard wearing, super quick, and it bonds well to metal like this, timber, plastics, a whole heap of surfaces. Storage is a big must-have, but to liven it up, I'm spraying the backs of these units for a pop of colour. I've picked up this sheet of MDF, I'm turning it into a chalkboard using White Knight Chalkboard paint. Don't forget about all the little accessories. They really are the finishing touches to any room. This space costs less than $500. So it goes to show, if you work with what you've got, you can save a lot.